Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session we will understand import pickup from the supplier in air shipment. Okay, so when we import any goods from overseas, if Incoterms is X-verse, then in this case we have to arrange freight forwarder who will pick up the goods from the overseas. So what will the procedure for the picking the goods from overseas to our factory? We will try to understand in this session. Okay. So first step is like a whatever goods we require, we need the request from the department. Okay. So what we'll do, just like we are sitting in the factory, okay, and we are in the import export department as a logistic executive. So in this process, our factory department, if any machinery parts or any goods required by the plant, then they intimate to the supplier. Okay, so what they will do, first they prepare purchase order. Okay, is order whatever require the purchase order. Okay, so in this case, the behalf of the performa invoice, here purchase order is prepared. Okay, so here the department, just like any production team or any department, then require that we need this machinery parts. So the coordination from procurement team to supplier, they check out whether performa invoice is okay or not. Okay, then as per performa invoice, all details are okay, then the department, user department will create the purchase order. Okay, so in purchase order, the X-verse Incoterm is the X-verse. Okay, so this purchase order is sent to the supplier. Okay, and the supplier will prepare the commercial invoice. Once he receives the order from the our side, supplier will prepare the commercial invoice in other document. So at this stage, the supplier is ensure that we receive the order and we have to dispatch the goods. Before receiving the purchase order, supplier will not take any action for the dispatch of the goods, because this purchase order is the basic documents which is work as a document of import order proof. If any dispute arise between importer and exporter, then this document will work. Okay, so always supplier ensure that purchase orders are received or not. Once purchase order is received, okay, the supplier will sign it and send back to the importer. In the parallelly vice versa, the importer will approve the PI which received from the supplier. Okay, so this purchase order is accepted by the supplier and this performa invoice is accepted by the importer. Okay, so after this, at this stage, all the negotiation regarding the Incoterms and payment terms need to be complete. Okay, then after this stage, point number 3, which is material ready by the supplier packing team. Okay, so once supplier prepare the commercial invoice, and he immediately intimate to his production team to make ready goods as per purchase order. Okay, then once goods are ready, then packing team pack these goods and intimate to the supplier department. Okay, logistic department of the supplier. Okay, then so what supplier will do, he immediately intimate to the importer. Okay, so here the information is received to the importer that goods are ready and packing are ready. So what importer at this stage do, he will appoint the freight forwarder to pick up goods from the supplier factory. Okay, so at this stage, supplier need to check out the rates, and he take the rates from the different freight forwarder as per volume given by value and weight given by the supplier. So like he receive rate from different such as per the service level and the best rate quoted by the freight forwarder. Here importer will appoint to freight forwarder to pick up goods from the supplier factory. Okay, so at this stage when goods are going to dispatch, the commercial invoice and packing list is ready. So supplier will share this commercial invoice and packing list to the importer. Okay, and he check out all details. Okay, then this process starts. So here we have just understand what is the procedures which is requested by the department for any goods import from the overseas, and what are the steps which we need to check out, like Incoterms, payment terms, okay, and mode of the shipments. Also we can check out at this stage when we negotiate the pricing of the goods from the supplier. So this is very important step where all negotiation need to be done. Okay, after this stage we cannot change anything. Okay, because the goods are dispatched and supplier file the shipping bill in the supplier country, like as a import in export we file the shipping bill in export case to the customs. In same way, when supplier file the details regarding the export on his own country, the all details transmitted to the custom. And at this stage when the details of the goods value and pricing are transmitted to the custom, then supplier cannot change anything in regarding the goods. Okay, because that he have given the information to the government. Okay, so we need to understand all the negotiations regarding the import we need to complete before the goods dispatch from the supplier country. Okay, so in this step we have tried to understand how we can arrange the freight forwarders, okay, from overseas to India. Okay, so this is a case in which we are just importing the goods from overseas airborne shipment. Okay, just like here Germany, and we are importing the machinery parts from the Germany to our India. So like our factory in the Gujarat, so this shipment will come to this way. Okay, so very important thing need to understand, the coordination between the supplier and the buyer is very important, which is related to the documents, which is related to goods ready and freight forwarder appointed at the initial stage, and coordination regarding the documentation checked, coordination regarding the BL draft approved, coordination regarding the pricing of the goods, Incoterms, payment terms, all these are the very important things. So we need to understand and complete these steps. So guys, we are just going to end this session here, and in next session we will try to understand the other balance points which complete this full import end-to-end shipment, pick up from the supplier and delivery to the importer factory. So the balance point we will cover in the next session, which are, you can see on the screen, we will cover this point like BL draft approved after pick up the goods from the overseas. Okay, this we'll understand the next session. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.